Here's another sparring session from the archives. We're working the small gloves, and so anything goes pretty much as far as stand-up or grappling. My partner throws an elbow, I throw a knee, and we just sort of take our time, move around, a few low kicks here and there. I throw a tip kang, which is a side kick. Again, just feeling each other out. I turn all the way around for no reason, and I go for that takedown. And right here, I let my partner get back up so we could reset. Then I throw overhand, moving slowly. He kicks. I redirect the push kick. I grab that leg to trip, and I let him back up. I kick, he kicks. I do a little shot down there, and I grab the leg for a single, and I let him roll.